Hello, I'm the Hartsville Trousdale County Mayor Stephen Chambers, and I'm here to give an update for Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Our current coronavirus testing numbers are: Trousdale County has 14 positives, 61 negatives, and 1 fatality. There were no new positives today. However, with increased testing, we do expect the numbers to rise, not just in Trousdale County, but all across the state. Macon County has 16 positives and 1 death. Smith County has 3 positives, Wilson County has 117 positives, and Sumner County has 376 positives and 18 deaths. There have been no COVID-related deaths in either Smith or Wilson counties. Statewide, there are 4,362 positives, 52,256 negative tests, 449 hospitalizations, 592 have recovered, and there have been 79 fatalities. This past weekend, the CDC released new recommendations for anyone going out in public, such as grocery stores, pharmacies, and whatnot. They recommend that everyone now wear a cloth face mask, and if you wear the face mask, make sure that it does cover your nostrils, so it comes probably around the bridge of your nose, but also goes up under your chin and seals off to prevent any particulate coming around the masks. And those can be either looped around your ears with some kind of elastic, or you can also have it tied around your head. Those directions should be on a few previous posts for the Hartsville Trousdale County government, with some directions on there how to make masks like these. And the reason for that recommendation is due to new studies that show that a significant number of people with coronavirus don't have any symptoms, and that those people who do eventually have symptoms were able to spread it before they became symptomatic. So that is the reason for the mask recommendation. Earlier today, Trousdale Medical Center posted on Facebook that they were doing a partial closure of their facility. This decision was made by High Point Health Systems, and that is to temporarily suspend inpatient and non-urgent outpatient care at the Trousdale Medical Center. This is effective immediately. The emergency department will remain open, and patients will continue to receive emergency care. Those patients that require inpatient care will be stabilized and transferred to appropriate nearby medical facilities for further treatment. They will deep clean the entire facility, and they hope to have it reopened on Monday, April 13th. On April 2nd, Governor Lee issued Executive Order 23, which requires anyone not engaged in essential activities or essential services to stay at home. Essential activities is basically anything necessary for your health or well-being, and essential services is basically anything that's tied to maintaining the health and well-being of the public. That does require that if you're not going to a grocery store or a pharmacy or something like that to, like I said, maintain your health or well-being, you need to stay at home whenever possible. Some of the things we can do to stop the spread of coronavirus is, like I said, and as required under the executive order, stay home except to get medical care, food, or other essentials for life. Separate yourself from others in your home if you're showing any symptoms. This is known as home isolation. If you think you're showing any symptoms, call your doctor before visiting and make sure that they can see you, and they may probably screen you over the phone beforehand, and they can recommend further testing if required. Cover your coughs or sneezes. Clean your hands often with either hand soap or hand sanitizer. Avoid sharing household personal items such as dishes, drinking glass, cups, or eating utensils, and wash those things thoroughly after use. Clean all high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs and light switches, and monitor your symptoms. And as I said, if you believe you're showing any symptoms of the coronavirus, which are fever, cough, or shortness of breath, call your health care provider, and then they can decide whether or not you need to be seen or screened. Right. I'll provide future updates when we have more information. So if you need more information, you can go to trousdalecountytn.gov. That's the county's website to see our COVID-19 information. You should place your cursor over the government link, and you'll see a drop-down menu. On the public notices, there should be a link that says COVID-19 information. We have previous videos that I've done with our Emergency Management Director, Matt Beatty, as well as some other information from the CDC and other government departments. If you want more information at the state, do a Google search for Tennessee Department of Health coronavirus, and that should take you to the link where the Tennessee Department of Health's information is. Or you can also visit the Center for Disease Control and Prevention's website at cdc.gov. Thank you very much, and I hope everyone and your family stay well.